Hello guys, welcome to the new session. In previous session, we learned about how to use datasets present in local disk from Colab. If you guys didn't watch it, please watch. Link is provided in description. Today, I will explain something cool feature which helps you a lot, which also reduces your time and cost to download or upload datasets. Actually, there is no need to download datasets. You can directly use datasets in Colab without downloading. API token provided by Kaggle helps you a lot. I think we all know about Kaggle. Let's get into the. First of all, create an account in Kaggle. After account creation, visit your account settings session. There you can find API session as shown here. If you are new user, directly create new API token, or else first expire your previous token and then create new API token. This will allows you to download a JSON file named kaggle.json. This file contains your username and key, which helps you to access the Kaggle datasets. Now open your Colab and connect to hosted runtime and install Kaggle using command shown below. Now using files imported from google.colab, upload kaggle.json file just you downloaded before. This uploaded file will present under /contents in the file system of Colab. After uploading, you can see the contents of JSON file, username and key as I mentioned before. Now follow the three commands as I listed here. First command allows you to create directory Kaggle. Tilt allows you to create folder under home directory. Second command allows you to copy JSON file to Kaggle directory created before. Third command use it to change the permission for user, allowing them to read and write kaggle.json file. These steps are mandatory in order to access the API tokens. Now visit your dataset page in Kaggle and copy the API command given there. Paste the API command in Colab and run the cell. This will allows you to access the dataset. These are the contents of dataset provided by Kaggle: test1.zip and train.zip. After running the API token in Colab, you can see here test1.zip and train.zip is present in Colab file system. Unzip those things and use them as usual. I hope this helps you to save a lot of time and cost of mobile data for downloading these datasets. Hope you will like this session. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.